Hi, welcome to another video on PlusNik channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach how to set password on Windows 10 and remove it. I'm gonna do this task with two methods. The first method, go to settings and click on accounts. And then click on sign in options. To set password, click add and type the password in the box. Then repeat the password and type a password hint. Then click on next and finish. Now your Windows has password. You can test it by pressing Window key and L key. And if you want to remove the password, you can click on change and leave the box as empty. In the second method, right-click on this PC and click on Manage. Then, click on Local Users and Groups and double-click on Users. Now you can find your username and right-click on it, then click Set Password and proceed. Now type your password in the box and repeat it. Then click OK. OK, you can see the message, the password has been set. Now if you want to test it, go to lock screen and type the password. OK, and if you want to remove the password, right click on your username and click on set password and press it and leave the box as empty, then click OK. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe our channel.